This is a pack of 4 types of onion seeds I was sent to review from First Choice Goods. We've got Evergreen White Nabuka, Ruby Red, Tokyo Long White, and Yellow Sweet Spanish. So let's check them out and plant them. They do come individually packaged, which is nice. Each one gives you directions regarding plant season, plant depth, spacing between the rows and plants, germination days, days till harvest, sun or shade, hardiness, and weight. These all say spring and fall. They're all 1/4 to 1/2 inch depth. They're all 1 to 2 weeks for germination. They are all full sun with slightly different spacing. USDA hardiness 5 to 9 for 3 of them and 4 to 9 for 1 of them. You've got 1 gram of seeds each. We're gonna open up the Yellow Sweet Spanish first. You can open them fairly cleanly and there's still glue on there, so that'll self-seal. Very small seeds. Here's the Evergreen White Nabuka. They look very similar. Here's the Ruby Red. Again, just a very small and black. All these seeds look exactly the same. And Tokyo Long White, same exact look. So just by the seeds, you're gonna have no idea which is which, so be sure to keep them in their packaging. And I would say plant them separately and use a little sign like a popsicle stick or something to note which one they are. Anyway, if you're looking to plant a variety of onions, this is a great set. I love them. I know you will too.